Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you all how to make an amazing triple chocolate chip cookies. And for this, I'll be using the Angostura Orange bitters and the newly introduced cocoa bitters. This is going to be soft and gooey and so decadent. So let me show you how easy it is to put together. To make this, I'm going to start in a big bowl with my softened butter. Next goes in some brown sugar, and we're going to cream this until it's light and fluffy. Once it has been mixed in properly, we're going to go ahead and add in our egg. Whisk that in. And now I'm also going to add in some vanilla or some mixed essence and some instant coffee, which is totally optional. The coffee helps enhance the flavor of the chocolate. So give that a good mix. The Angostura Orange bitters is a perfect combination of citrus oils and exotic spices with complex and layered notes anchored by a balanced orange zest flavor. It pairs perfectly with chocolate and is widely used in drinks and savory preparations. The newly introduced Angostura Cocoa bitters adds rich, floral and nutty notes as it's made from the Trini cocoa, the world's finest cocoa hybrid, and is perfect for sweet or savory preparations. Set this aside, let's mix our dry ingredients. So to my flour, I'm adding some salt, some baking powder, cocoa powder, white chocolate chips or morsels, milk chocolate chip or morsels, and we're going to give this a mix so we distribute those ingredients properly. Mix it really well. Now we're going to return our wet mixture and pour in our dry mixture. I'm going to add in some chopped dark chocolate chunks and start mixing. Now it may seem like it's dry, but trust me, you have to keep mixing. It comes together really quickly. You can already see how it's starting to absorb the wet ingredients. So just be patient with it. Look at that. You don't want it to be too thick and you don't want it to be too runny. So once it's to this consistency, you're going to go ahead and take your scoop and scoop out 1.5-inch balls. You can make them bigger if you want. And if you press these out, rather than leaving it into a mound, you're going to get a really thin cookie. Doing it this way gives you a more of a thicker cookie. So I'm just placing some of those chocolate chips on the top. And then once you place them, these bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 minutes. When they're done, they're going to be nice and soft and gooey. I'm just going to transfer them to a cookie rack so that they cool down properly and they don't sweat. The kitchen is going to be smelling so amazing. And that's it. Here you have my triple chocolate chip cookies. This is so delicious. If you bake it longer, you're going to get a crispier cookie. If you bake it for a shorter period of time, you'll get a soft, gooey cookie. So I like it just in between. I hope you all enjoyed today's recipe. If you did and you tried this, comment down below and let me know what you think. Remember, you can find the Angostura Orange bitters and the Angostura Cocoa bitters in Walmart, and it's also available in Trinidad and Tobago. Both of these do help enhance this cookie and they work hand in hand. So thank you guys so much for watching. I can't wait to hear if you all make it and what you all think. Thank you again, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye bye.